Hello and welcome on this new midweek analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. A small disclaimer, my friends, that today we have the core CPI news and tomorrow we are expecting the core retail news, which will hit the USD pairs tomorrow and today as well. So please guys, be careful and wise, and remember that this is just a technical analysis. It relies actually on the fundamentals, but the news has the ability to change usually the direction of the market. But from personal perspective, I don't see the core CPI and the core retail for the month of January is gonna make any changes, especially now Mr. Biden is leaving the White House. So I really doubt if there will be any changes that has the ability to change the direction of the market. So let's now begin with the midweek analysis, and as usual, we'll start with the EURUSD. So again, this is just going to be a follow-up of the signals which we have sent here last Saturday. So here is, of course, my signal on the EURUSD. Remember, my friends, that the market has actually opened right here on Monday morning and went down very close to our take profit level, reversed just like by 48 pips far away from our take profit level, and then reversed back to the sell area. That means that the market has actually been able to reach our take profit zone and reverse before reaching it. So therefore, most likely right now with the current price action that we have here on daily chart, I doubt if we can sell the EURUSD. Most likely, my friends, we will look to buy this pair right now. Therefore, the sell order is no longer valid. Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. So actually right now what we can see, you know what? Back to daily chart. So this is daily chart, and I forgot to tell you that what we have right now here is a good price action, indicates a continuation in the bullish reversal. Not only that, but even right here we can notice that we had also a real level of a support zone, as you can see right here. Let me just be precise, exactly right there. That is of course the zone of the real support. And then here what we had right here was actually a fake breakout from that level. Again, not only a fake breakout, but even the price action here entirely indicates for a continuation in the bullish reversal, which means the EURUSD right now has a chance to fall back all the way right here, retesting the support zone. And if it's gonna reverse from here, that's gonna be great news, because we will have inverted head and shoulders pattern completed, and by that we can continue longing the EURUSD. So moving right now to the 4-hour time frame. Now here is of course the 4-hour time frame, and as you can see here is exactly the real level of a support, as you can see exactly at the previous level of a resistance as well right here. And the interesting thing is, once you see guys a bullish breakout candle from a resistance level, it's usually recommended to buy the market exactly right here at the nearest, or actually at the peak of the nearest level of the wick right here, which is the nearest one to the bullish breakout candle. However, the same level was in the past a strong key level of a support, and that fact cannot be ignored. Therefore, we will look to buy the EURUSD right on that level. Now, for the take profit level, now we can see here clearly that we can complete here a channel, as we can see like that. Right here exactly. So we have here the channel. So therefore, most likely if the EURUSD will continue the rise, it will continue the rise till it reach the previous level of a key support right here at 1.037, which means if we buy the EURUSD from here, we are actually expecting around 100 pips of profit, and a safe zone that in this case shouldn't actually be ranging lower than the previous level of support right here exactly at 1.022. So let me just type it right in front of you, 1.027. We can buy the pair, and take profit level will be exactly at 1.037. So that's going to be everything, my friends, for the EURUSD. Let's now move to the Pound USD. So now Pound USD, as we can see, my friends, has already hit our take profit level by the opening of the market on Monday, which was already really quick. However, the pair went back and reversed just like 11 or 10 pips far away from our sell area, and then went back all the way very close to the take profit level. So therefore, this signal is surely no longer valid. And let's now see what we can do next. Moving now to the daily chart. So here is the daily chart, and from what I can see right here is a very clear level of a support that the market, oops, 1 second. Yes. So here we can see clearly a strong key level of a support that the market has already reversed from right here exactly at 1.216. As you can see, over the last 2 days, the market actually kept making an attempt to break out from this level. However, it always has reversed at the lowest level of a support at 1.212 and went back above 1.218, which means right now with the current price action that we have right here, the pound USD most likely is gonna be bullish for the remaining days of this week. Moving now to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so here's now the 4-hour time frame. And now what we can see right now, of course, is a real level of a support as well, right here exactly, and a fake breakout. Let me just show it to you based on the 1-hour time frame. Here is now the 1-hour time frame, and check this out. Right here exactly, this is the one which we have mentioned already. Right here clearly we can see a real level of a support and a broken level of a resistance, and then a fake breakout from that level. And again, the same level of a real support has indeed been respected at 1.216. So therefore, if the pound USD will continue to fall, it actually has a chance to reverse even before reaching this area. Where exactly? Let me just tell you quickly. Right here, to be precise, right here exactly at 1.218, because right here exactly we have a support number 1, and the market has a chance to continue the fall to reach the same level as support number 2. Also, we can notice clearly that we had here a support trend line. So if the market will continue the fall, most likely it will have to face the level of a support trend line, and afterward it will continue the rise. So daily chart and 4-hour time frame and even 1-hour time frame confirms that the pound USD is going to continue the rise. We just have to wait for the market to fall to another around 19 pips before we can start buying it. However, our take profit level in this case should not be ranging higher than the previous level of a resistance at 1.230, which will give us around 125 pips of profit, and a safe zone that in this case shouldn't be ranging lower than the support at 1.213, which will be ranging for around 43 pips only. That will be everything, my friends, for the pound USD. Let's now jump to the AUDUSD. So I will make it quick here for the AUDUSD. As we can see right now, based on daily chart, the current price action here also is not promising for the sell anymore. Of course, this is the reason of the midweek analysis, is to fix any mistakes happened in our earlier weekly analysis video, and also to follow up with these signals. For example, AUDUSD, as we can see, did not really work well. Right now, the market is ranging in around 20 pips of loss. But however, it's worth to mention that USDJPY, as you can see, for example, was perfect signal, and so far running in around 70 pips of profit. So again, having some mistakes is normal. However, let's now see what we can do next with this pair. So of course we can no longer sell the AUDUSD, and let me just make it shorter for you, my friends. Now, based on daily chart, again, we have very similar thing to the other two pairs. Right here, of course, we can see a real level of a support, and a fake breakout has appeared right on that level. Now, for those who are actually can't trust this style of analysis, I would like to tell you that this is how actually I'm making my day trading profits. That's actually what I'm making a living from, using these kinds of price actions, looking only for the real level of a support, following later with the fake breakouts, and then place my buy order exactly at the same level of a real support. And by that, I'm actually making a living from trading Forex. So moving now to the 4-hour time frame, we can see right here clearly that the market actually has here created also a real level of a support and then a fake breakout. Remarkably, we have one single attempt of the resistance on that area, but when the market attempted to make a second attempt, instantly broke out from it. What happened later is attempt of a support has been respected, again respected. So therefore it shows that 0.617 is a very strong key level of a support, and the AUDUSD has a chance to fall back again right here, and we can buy the pair exactly at the same level, targeting of course the nearest level of a strong key level of a resistance, which lies exactly right here at 0.625, expecting around 83 pips profit with this signal. However, the safe zone shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level of a support at 0.614, which will be ranging for around let's say around 30 pips. That's gonna be everything, my friends, for the AUDUSD. Let's now move to the USDCAD. Alright, so guys, if you remember, last weekly analysis, I refused to give any analysis on the USDCAD because the market actually was at the absolutely highest level of a resistance. And I'm so grateful because I didn't give the analysis, because I was really having an itchy hands to give a buy signal at the top of the resistance, assuming that the market has actually made here, if I can remember quickly, from here a bullish breakout from the resistance. I think I saw it somewhere, but I forgot. However, now as we can see, the current price action right here, inverted hammer, is actually a good sign. This is, by the way, hammer, not inverted hammer. However, it's a good sign, indicates that the market right now is getting ready for the bearish fall. I really trust this price action. If I see this price action appeared on a daily or weekly chart, it's actually a good sign that the market will continue the fall. Now we are seeing it on the weekly chart. Now someone will tell me, but Salah, you just said you trust this price action. If you saw it already on a weekly chart, why didn't you didn't give us a signal to start selling the market after its appearance? The answer is because look at here. We had one. We had here another one. We had here one also. But it seems to me like the USDCAD is not really respecting that price action all the time. So giving here a sell signal was somehow risky for me. However, long story short, weekly chart and even daily chart confirms that we can continue sell the USDCAD for the remaining days of this week. Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. So here on the 4-hour time frame, I would really like to sell the USDCAD exactly right here at the real level of a resistance, which has been followed later with the fake breakout right here, as you can see. Because actually, let me just tell you something. Since we are actually having here a strong upper trend, usually we should look for a buy order only, right? All right. So what happened here is, after the bullish breakout happened right here, we have here a very strong key level of a support, and the market did not respect this level at all. Instead of reversing on it and then continue the rise, nope, it just made a strong bearish breakout from this level of a previous support. Not even that, but even the support, the next support to it right here exactly has been ignored, and the USDCAD just went below that level, which shows a strong bearish movement right now. So therefore, we have to consider selling the USDCAD for the remaining days of this week. And therefore, if the USDCAD will be able to reach this level at 1.438, most likely it will reverse exactly at the same level of a real resistance. Afterward, will continue the fall. Was that boring? Maybe. But somehow, actually, I have proven my point that we can sell the USDCAD at 1.438 after it rises to another 24 pips. And if we do so, we don't want to keep our trade running for longer than 1.430, the lowest level of a real support, aiming around 76 pips profit with this signal. However, the safe zone this time shouldn't actually be ranging also higher than the real level of a resistance right here exactly at 1.442, which will be ranging for around 36 pips only. That will be everything, my friends, for the USDCAD. Let's now move to the USDJPY, which was really an easy winner for this week. As you can see, thankfully, the pair has reversed exactly from our given price at 158.068, and right now running in around 80 pips of profit. Again, congratulations for those who have taken this signal and enjoying these profits. Actually, to be honest with you, it's hard to give any more analysis on this pair, because it's gonna, in my opinion, will continue going toward our take profit level. I mean, if you really want to sell again, I believe that we have here a good chance to resell the market exactly. Let me just be precise. Exactly at 157.664. Let me just tell you something here. We can actually resell at sorry, I got confused with the lines. 157.664, right? 157. Yes, okay. So here we can resell, but again, it's really, guys, up to you where to place your stop loss and take profit level, because my signal is running as I have predicted. The signal said that the market will reverse exactly at this level of a resistance and then going toward the take profit level at the lowest level of a real support. But for the next signal, I cannot give you any take profit and stop loss here. Why? Because the market is just exactly, the new entry is exactly at the middle between the take profit level and the edge of the safe zone. So if I give you a stop loss right here, it's going to be big. Actually, it's going to be around 85 pips, which is really a lot compared to 100 pips of profits. So therefore, it's really, guys, up to you how to handle it. You can place your stop loss a little bit above the original entry. That's gonna be not that bad idea, but I mean, this is our best chances. So therefore, that's gonna be, my friends, everything for the USDJPY. Let's now move to the USDCHF. Alright, so now for the USDCHF, I believe this signal is no longer valid. Why? Look at the daily chart. Daily chart here shows, to be honest, a perfect level, or actually a perfect setup for a sell. Right here, if I was looking to sell the market, I will surely look for this level of a highest level of a real resistance as 0.913, and then wait for the market to rise again to reach the same level of a resistance, and then I will short exactly right here. Not only that, but even if we look at the resistance trend lines, let me just show it to you. Right here, clearly, we had a resistance trend line number 1, a resistance trend line number 2. So that is, of course, one of the trusted price actions for me to sell if I have an upper trend and I see the resistance being respected, then a fake breakout being following up, which is like here, this one. I will wait for the market to reach the same level of a real resistance trend line and then sell exactly right here at the same level. This is going to be my sell point. And that's exactly what we can see right now. So that's the reason, my friends, of the midweek analysis. The price actions always changes, and we have got to adapt with the changes that happens in the market. So therefore, just to make it short for you, I recommend to sell. Let me just now move to the 4-hour time frame. Let's sell the USDCHF exactly at the peak of the real resistance at 0.913, waiting for the market to rise to another 14 or 15 pips. And if we do so, let's now go back to the to the daily chart. Now here on daily chart, we need to find our take profit level. The wisest option, in my opinion, gonna be is, since we are replacing our sell order right here on the level of a resistance, we should actually leave our trade exactly when the market reach the nearest level of a support to our entry. That's gonna be a wise decision, in my opinion. So therefore, right here exactly will be our take profit level, expecting around 91 pips profit with this signal, and in this case a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging much higher than the peak of the resistance at 0.917, which will be ranging for around 40 pips only against 91 pips of profit. And there goes our signals, my friends, for the remaining days of this week. And I really hope you guys have also entered my gold signal, which is running so far in around 170 pips of profit. This signal has been sent actually yesterday night and has already been activated, as we can see, and so far running in a good profit. I just really hope it's gonna continue going this way. And in the end, of course, don't forget to join our this is my own channel. Don't forget to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about these signals and to stay connected to Xtreme Trader signals. This is actually really a good channel for everyone to join, my friends. You will remain connected to us, and as you can see, we are sending here updates and notifications about the market conditions and the signals that we are sending. This is the channel here, Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.